Okay, what do we got here today, Bert?
We got something real nice. Oh yeah. Okay folks, here we have a 97 Polaris XLT SKS. This machine here has not been started since the Polaris factory in 97. It's got 0.1 of a mile, and that is from the original time it would have been started at the factory. This guy here has the factory Polaris reverse option, which is quite rare. It's still got the tags on the gas tank, emergency brake, everything's still got the tank labels on it. We've got the plastic is still on the factory windshield.
So wild.
Yeah, and it's been in a shop since 97. Let's see here, we've got the back, we've got...
Oh, the old,
yeah,
the old rear seat.
We've got the factory papers and documents.
Still got the key in there, hey?
Still got the factory key, yeah. Seat is in immaculate condition.
Who do we got here?
Why is it when I'm trying to do something, you guys are mad at me?
Okay, so after that, we'll go under the hood. We've got a 600cc extra light triple, liquid cooled. There again, has not been started since 97 at the Polaris factory. We've got, basically everything is completely stock and factory the way it would have been right from day one. So it's really cool to see everything in its original condition.
Belt's not even on the clutch.
Nope. Belt is off, toolkit's here. All this stuff is a little bit oxidized just from sitting, but basically in perfect condition. And this guy here is the 133.5. So we got the, this would have been a long track in its day. 0.9 inch lug, 133.5. She's got the factory Polaris purple ski skins as well, which you don't see much of anymore.
These colors were so sick back then.
Yeah.
Man, that's nice.
Yeah, XLT. Speaks for itself.